Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Vitamin C Garnier Face Mask Easy Guide. Apply to clean, dry skin in an even layer, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave on for the recommended time, then rinse gently with lukewarm water. Pat dry and follow with serum or moisturizer to lock in benefits. Use 1 to 3 times weekly depending on skin sensitivity and vitamin C tolerance. In this video, I will show how to use Vitamin C Garnier Face Mask Easy Guide. Apply a thin layer with clean fingertips or a brush for precise coverage. Keep the mask on only as long as the instructions recommend to avoid irritation. Rinse thoroughly and gently to remove residues without scrubbing. Finish with sunscreen during daytime to protect treated skin from UV sensitivity and preserve results. In this video, I will show how to use Vitamin C Garnier Face Mask Easy Guide. Quick recommendation. If you want less cleanup after pampering sessions, the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum handles hair and debris with voice control and smart mapping, so your floors stay spotless while you mask. It's a tidy little time saver that makes skincare night even more relaxing. If you're interested, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Vitamin C Garnier Face Mask Easy Guide. After rinsing, apply a hydrating serum or lightweight moisturizer to support skin barrier repair. If you use the mask in the morning, apply broad-spectrum sunscreen to prevent UV damage and maintain brightening results. Limit exfoliating actives for 48 hours after to reduce irritation and monitor skin for sensitivity before repeating the treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.